Yo, what's up everybody? Good morning. Today is a special day. It's a national holiday. It is Rain's birthday.
It's my birthday!
Not only is it Rain's birthday, but today is also Memorial Day. Memorial Day is a U.S. holiday that we honor the people that died serving in the U.S. forces. Shout out to everybody in the U.S. forces.
Joshua said he was gonna give me something. What are you gonna get for me for my birthday? Oh, I got a big old heart from Joshi.
Wow.
Thank you, Joshi.
But we don't want heart, we want shopping sprees.
Yes, I want a shopping spree.
Hey, let's set up this pool.
Why?
Clean it all up, let's set up the pool. Or you don't want to go swimming? Who wants to go swimming?
Me.
Okay, clean up this big old mess right here.
Yeah, you big old,
Hey, don't even, you're part of it too, you clean up too.
Hey, I'm not part of this.
Yeah, you are, you want to go swimming, right?
Yeah.
Let's go, clean up everything.
Can you Peppa Pig?
Yeah, Papa Pig.
Oh, I am Papa Pig.
Hey, sheep.
Hey, Papa Pig, we should clean up so we can go swimming.
Let's go, Papa Pig said let's go swimming.
Let's move this one.
Yeah, let's go. See this right here? We got a hair dryer and it got a bottle top that we cut with some duct tape, some Gorilla Tape, and that's how we fill up our pool. Just remember not to put the heat on. You might have a jacked up pool. Yeah, duct tape, that's it. Coffee break. How do you feel about being 38?
I'm happy. I'm beyond blessed. Look at this.
Hey, can someone help me, please?
And she has an awesome husband.
He's upside down. He's rolling. He's a blue tank.
What's up?
There's no water. It's going to take away with his wire. My legs are tired.
So since we don't have any water outside, what we do is we bring the hose straight through the living room and over to the bathroom where we have the bidet. But I got this adapter right here that fits a normal hose. It's Mommy's birthday. Today's the best day ever.
Today is the best day ever. Legend was born.
Finally, it's here.
Hey, okay, go change.
We're using sunscreen. I need more. Give me some more, please. Honey, look.
We're still filling up the pool. It's about halfway done. It's been about 45 minutes, but we're getting there. After we're done with this, we're gonna go get the barbecue grill right there and grill up some food.
Daddy, I think I'm done with my soda.
Okay, so for our barbecue, we got carne asada, burgers, some hot dogs.
You're so fine, oh lady. Let your body take control. You're on my mind, baby.
How's that pool? Whoa, what we got here?
Traditional American chicken wings.
Look what we got here. We got that carne asada, got that cilantro marinated with a little bit of lime juice, orange juice, Got some salt and pepper, got some garlic clove in there. That's how we do it. That's how we do it for my wife's birthday / Memorial Day weekend
/ quarantine.
/ quarantine.
Let's get out, things slow. I wanna get to know you.
Got them hot dogs. Got some burgers. There you go. There you go.
Thank you. Dollars.
How's your birthday?
Good.
How's your tacos?
Good.
Hey, if you don't know what to get somebody for their birthday, just get them tacos. Everybody loves tacos.
Daddy, can you
Yeah.
spell something for me?
Yeah, tacos, T-A-C-O-S.
How do you spell? Cheers, Mommy. Happy birthday.
Thank you. We're twinings in our headbands.
Mommy gotta take a nap for her birthday. That's all she wants.
Happy Mama back. Hey. Just one.
Thank you. Where's my cake? Is this my cake?
Yeah.
Yum. Mmm. Thank you, Jazzy.
I'm here. This is my cake.
Wow.
Here. Goodbye.
Dang! Dude, look at all that food. I wish it was my birthday. Dang, look at what we got here. We got some carne asada and some hot dogs and some shrimp pasta and some barbecue chicken and some peppers. Woo! Whoa, some lumpias. We got cake. We got some rice. We got some Coke. Dang, look at all that food. Is that a lot of food, Jasmine?
Yeah.
Dang, we need a bigger cake. We're not gonna fit all them candles. We got like 1 billion candles.
Okay. Say Coke.
What the heck? The heck?
There's no water yet. How could you get in there? Kiss me.
Give mommy a birthday kiss.
And a birthday hug. And a birthday maga maga.
And the birthday, heart.
And a birthday heart. Oh, nice.
I got this adapter right here that fits a normal hose.
Hello.
Hello, where's the hose at?
Here's
Hey,
Dory.
get it?
Here's Dory.
Where the hose at?